In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about renaming your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer to something else. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best results, come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select system. On the right side, up at the top, there should be an item that says rename. Go ahead and select that. Type in whatever you want your new device name to be here, and then you would select next. And you can use any combination of letters, hyphens, and numbers as well. And it may take a moment. And again, they're just going to tell you maybe you can't start with a number here. Just type in whatever you want the name to be and then select next. And then that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.